Someone rightly said, the details are not the details, they make the design, and I can't agree more. On my recent visit to ArcX show, I came across VOX India and their innovative cladding solutions, and my search for the right alternative to wooden ceiling for this terrace space just ended. I was mighty impressed with the VOX Infratop ceiling panels. This ceiling system has been designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind and is suitable for both internal and external application. The click system and the increased rigidity of the panel makes the installation quick and easy with factory-made screw fixing slots, and their patented hidden air vents make them color resistant too. The range includes 4 unique colors and 7 natural colors. Look how perfectly this one resembles and reflects the grains of wood. The product is lightweight, impact resistant, 100% recyclable and reusable, comes with 10-year warranty and has self-extinguishing properties. It looks like wood, but with zero problems of wood. So many good things in one product truly seems like a problem-free and innovative way to finish roof ceilings. So I have opted to use them at my site. If you too are looking for a convenient and practical alternative to wooden ceilings, go check them out at VOX India.